Today, I'll show you how to unlock a page in Notion so you can edit again. I'm using a sample page called Unlock Page just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. First, make sure you are inside the page that is already locked. You can tell the page is locked because you will see a small lock icon at the top. Right now, I cannot click or type inside the page. At the top right of the page, click the three dots menu. A menu will open. Scroll down until you see the option called Lock Page. Click Lock Page once. The lock icon will disappear. This means the page is now unlocked. You can now click and edit the page normally again. That's how you unlock a page in Notion.